Hello and welcome to Louise Singleton Creations. I have a bit of a different video for you today. The video I had planned needed to be delayed, so I needed to think of something very quick so that you had a video to watch today. So I had an idea. A couple of years ago, I made this super cute mushroom nightlight using the Let's Resin mushroom mould and Let's Resin epoxy resin. The base was made of eco resin. I really loved it and it made a really good nightlight, but eventually the LED lights did fail and it no longer worked. So I decided to give it a new life by updating it and making it into an automaton. Automatons are mechanical toys and they're my newest passion. In my spare time I've been learning how to make them and I still don't know very much. I'm very much a beginner but I think you might find it inspiring to watch the process of making it. So if you would like to see my Let's Resin mushroom nightlight transformed into a mechanical toy for my husband who's already claimed it, stay tuned and enjoy the video. So back to the present day, and here is the mushroom nightlight. It's got a few marks on it that I couldn't get off because, as I've already said, it's a couple of years old now. So I needed to take the old lights out and then it was ready to go. I'm not going to be talking like I usually do in this video because it's not a tutorial, it's just for your enjoyment and inspiration. So there will be some music today. With all that said, let's get started. the finished toy, and I think it's very cute, and my husband loves it to bits. These automatons are so addictive. I just can't stop thinking of ideas for them. I actually think this idea would work better on the apple mould, which is also from Let's Resin. Yeah, because I don't think you would get grubs in a mushroom. But never mind, it was just for fun. Yeah, one grub on the apple mould I think would just look absolutely great. So I hope I've inspired you to have a go at making your own automata. They are so good. I just love coming up with all the different ideas. If you've enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like to, and leave me a comment and let me know what you thought, and I will see you again next time. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.